Experiences shape who we are as individuals, and they have enormous value. The kind of value that can't be calculated. People often head to destinations like Southeast Asia and places like Bali to enjoy the lush green forest and be in the midst of nature. As a concept developer, I often wonder, why do we need to go to Bali when I can have the same experience right here in Maharashtra, like a place that has an atmosphere of a rainforest with potential to grow even dense once you start living here. A place where there's ample opportunity to practice sustainable living and work towards restoring the delicate ecological balance. So, that got me thinking even further. Is there a place where we can integrate forest as part of our urban existence? A place where we can live with nature rather than against it? An interesting thought passed my mind. How about an authentic forest living experience in a lush green environment that mimics a forest? I was very clear that whatever I do, the location had to be so unique that it would leave a permanent impression in anyone's mind after visiting this place. So, in my quest to offer this unique experience, I partnered with one of the best minds who understood land contours and knew how to blend the development seamlessly with nature. And the next I know, Serrano Farms was born. Right from the time you drive in, you'll be greeted by trees on either sides that touch and form a canopy over everything. A drive-through like this is an experience in itself, something that I was very particular about. Serrano Farms is the result of these efforts, the vision and dedication we have put together to bring this concept into reality. Any large development of this scale, and that too with such uneven terrain, where you also get heavy rainfall, demands good road infrastructure built by good road technology. At Serrano Farms, we have introduced CRCP. It's a revolutionary new technology where the roads are reinforced with continuous steel bars throughout its length, which is strong enough to last many decades without requiring any maintenance. We have also used special red soil pigment for the roads in order to maintain an authentic rustic theme to give the roads a muddy and natural feel. You see, Serrano Farms is a land with thick green foliage on all sides, just like a forest, and a whole lot of natural water bodies. So instead of tampering with what is already existing over here and diverting them elsewhere to suit our convenience, we have retained them as is and built a step-like structure around it, making it one nice scenic spot where people can sit and enjoy. Being a gated community of residents, spoilt with the luxuries of city life, we have planned a clubhouse with top-of-the-line luxury amenities that make it an island of modernity in a forest setting. Spread across 100,000 square feet of space, the clubhouse is home to Olympic-sized infinity pool with gourmet restaurant, a well-equipped gymnasium and a spa that offers a range of treatments. Now, if you're looking to build a home in an agricultural land, according to norms set by the Maharashtra government, a minimum of 1 acre plot is required to set up a farmhouse. And there's a lot you can do in an acre of land. You can plant hundreds of trees, have fresh flowers growing everywhere, and create a natural landscape around your home instead of just having exotic trees and lawns that look well manicured at best. So this way, you can literally create a forest in your own backyard. Here's what an acre of plot looks like in Serrano Farms. In fact, you will find the whole atmosphere here very therapeutic and limitless. You see, the whole idea of living in a forest is to be in the company of nature and the company of your near and dear ones, with whom you can spend some quality time. But most of all, it is about connecting ourselves with nature every once in a while. In an attempt to pioneer natural methods of beautification, we have built a dam to restore the natural flowing water from the hills and transformed it into a lake with a capacity to store 50 lakh litres of rainwater. It will also help attract lots of migratory birds from all over and encourage high levels of biodiversity in this area. We are planning to build 9 more lakes of this size at Serrano Farms in future. And when you have so many water bodies around, there will be natural retention of moisture in the ground as well as in the air, since the water is getting absorbed by the soil. This will keep the whole atmosphere cool and pleasant right through the year. Cricket is like religion in our country that bonds us closer and gets the whole family involved. And what better way to do it than playing a game of cricket in your own full-size cricket stadium with trees and hills surrounding the pavilion. The journey of Serrano Farms is a memorable one that is sure to make you come back for more, weekends after weekends. Even as you leave this place, you will be enveloped by the quietness and the soft shimmering lights on either sides of the road. An experience that is hard to forget. After all, there is no such place in the entire Maharashtra built with so much thought, love, passion, and care for the environment. So, if you were to ask me, what should Serrano Farms be remembered for? I would say, here you live the rich farm life in a rich green forest.